Good morning. Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome, thanks for coming.
Today's session was called Radical Collaboration, and this is the first time that the Alliance of Media Independents partners, Experian and ITV, had come together to run a workshop to inspire members about how they can get the most out of the partnership.
We've only recently partnered with Amy, and this last year has been a really interesting and exciting time, so looking forward to what the next year brings as well.
Amy is the Alliance of Media Independents. I think we are now top 3 in terms of spend as a group. We have a bigger voice within the industry. Yeah, we're given a voice really within this group that we wouldn't be able to have as individual entities.
Having great partnerships like Experian and ITV is fundamental for the indie community, for our Amy members, to have these exceptional deals for the indies to thrive, really. I think it's great that we were able to do a morning bringing 2 key partners together and to run such a great event.
It was great to see Experian and StackAdapt and ITV come together to showcase really what they can do for our clients.
Today the title's Radical Collaboration. I think the first takeaway is that agencies can come to us to collaborate. You know, we are collaborative by nature. We've seen StackAdapt here today, ITV here today. We're all here to work together and support each other. Data, I think, underpins everything that's done in media. From an insight perspective, from building audiences through to measurement, data it runs across the entirety of it, and Experian sits at the centre of all of that.
The intersect of content, data and measurement are more important than ever before. If you've got brands who are new to TV or have been on TV for a long time, then thinking about how you collaborate across that's really key. As a member of the Alliance of Media Independents, there are huge benefits that you can unlock through the partnerships with Experian and ITV. There are a wealth of brands out there who are considering investing in paid media but need that support, and through working collaboratively with member agencies, we can do that together.
We're here to just make sure that the market is both educated on what they can and can't do, but also we're listening to the market so that we know how we need to develop and how we need to build out the products that are right.